Welcome to getting your video out there, and that's strategically. In this video, the final in this module on strategy planning, I want to share with you how to strategically get your video out there so it'll be seen by as many sets of eyeballs as possible. In other words, once your video is completed, you'll need to market it and get it out into the world. There are several outlets and avenues that you should consider using to market your product and services. Look, here's just a few suggestions to get you started. Now, your business or personal website, obvious, maybe, but a lot of people don't do this. If your website's not a blog, then make sure you create a separate blog. Why? Well, here's a secret not many people know. Videos on your blog will rank the same as videos put on YouTube. People think it's only YouTube that gets the high rankings because it's owned by Google. It's not. Of course, if your blog is about growing bananas and you post a video there on knitting a jumper, it's not going to get the same ranking from Google because it's just not relevant to your banana growing blog and more importantly, to your blog's audience. So, should you put your video up on YouTube? Unless you want to keep it private, then putting it up on YouTube is a must. It's by far the biggest video sharing site and the world's second biggest search engine. You can also use paid sites like OneLoad, which was previously called TubeMogul, or Traffic Geyser to share, upload and post your videos to numerous sites at once. There's over 60 major video sharing sites and over 300 video sharing sites that I'm aware of on the web. Your job is to pick the ones that match your business. Another option is your personal Facebook page, and you can also create a Facebook fan page. You can post at LinkedIn and tweet on Twitter and do a post on Pinterest and the social media stuff. With all the strategies I just mentioned, make sure you have a link to your website. And just an observation here, many people naively believe that once you've made your video, then by simply putting it up on YouTube, you'll get views. With something like 16 hours of video content uploaded onto YouTube alone every minute, yes, 16 hours of video uploaded every minute, the chances of your video being found is very slim unless you tag your videos with a relevant description, a name that contains your keywords, you use clear and relevant video titles in the description, and a transcript of the words below the video ideally, which helps Google assess its relevance to the topic and ideally push it up the search rankings to page 1 of Google. You might also consider speaking with a social media manager about possible social media campaigns and to discuss which social media platforms are appropriate to help you reach your goals. Okay, that's it for tips for getting your video out there. Now, I want to briefly look at how to monetize your video. The issue of monetizing your video, go back to the first action strategy, decide it. Monetization possibly helps you determine if relevant opportunities exist, where you can sell your completed videos and increase your revenue streams. So a possible list of monetizing options in both the online world and offline world may include webinars, product or information DVDs, doing a joint venture production with someone else, having affiliates sell your programs, and continuity programs where you offer ongoing information. Always think of ways you can use and repurpose the video you've created. So as I mentioned in the intro video to this module, I didn't want to overwhelm you with strategy and planning and stuff, but I felt it was important to cover these things before you just go off wildly making video. Of course, if you just want to jump in and, cameras blazing and make heaps of videos, you just go for it. Look, as always, remember, believe in yourself, begin creating a legacy, and become who you truly are. When you're ready, complete the exercises, and then I'll see you in the next module.